baby silkies have outgrown the brooder. It's time for them to move in to a chicken tractor. These specific silky chickens are the bantam kind of silkies. So they're going to be little for a long time, longer than a regular sized chicken. So extra measures have to be taken to protect them. I've had a chicken tractor designed that is snake and rat proof, because rats and snakes are a huge danger to these little guys. It's nothing for a snake or a rat to eat baby chicks, even when they're ready to come out of the brooder, and especially when they're bantams. They are still really small. I'm going to show you the tractor design now. It's an A-shape tractor, and I have two other ones that bigger chickens live in. This one, my dad changed the design of it so that it would not have a chicken loft in it. Silkies don't like a loft when they're little. He changed this to a bottom floor, which I'll put some shavings in. And then the part that's on the grass, he's put predator-proof type wiring on. And the other tractors don't have wire on the bottom. And they have a loft, so there's more room for them to scratch and to, you know, and to eat grass and things like that. More important, that no rats can get in and no snakes can get in. And snakes and rats can't get into this. This is pretty solid. It opens from the top, so I'll have easy access to the chicks, easy ways to put food and water in. Now over here, I've got a little door that I can open, so next year if I have a broody hen and she's hatching chicks, I can put a run at this door and give her a little bit more fresh grass and room, but also put them up for night so snakes can't get to them, and so snakes can't get to her eggs or rats. It's really hard for them to protect themselves and babies against predators. So this is a very solid design. It is highly mobile, which is necessary because I like to move chicken tractors around. You can see out here my other tractors. I also have an omelet chicken tractor, which I don't like near as well as the chicken tractors my dad made. And you can see how those chicken tractors that are made for the adults, they have a loft, so they have a lot more room at the bottom. But this being specially made for chicks, has this wonderful, solid, predator-proof, snake and rat-proof bottom.